Hi guys, hi everyone. Big news, I am pregnant again. Yeah, last time I kept it top secret kind of, but I feel like this time I'll share with you guys because I wanted to share some of the pregnancy tips to have a healthy pregnancy. And last time a lot of people were asking me about like healthy pregnancy and about pregnancy journey altogether. So I thought this time I will do things I am doing to have a healthy pregnancy. I have actually listed so many things down. I feel like this will bring a lot of value to you people. So मैंने सोचा कि ये वीडियो बना लेती हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. So yeah, and also one thing I'm noticing is that मेरा वीडियो का जो ऑडियो क्वालिटी होता है इतना अच्छा नहीं आता है, but I am using DJI guys. DJI is like one of the best mic in the market. So I don't know why this is not working. I am like investing on टेक्नोलॉजी में भी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, टेक में भी. कैमरा भी लिया था लेकिन आई डोंट नो हाउ टू यूज़ इट. क्वालिटी इतना ख़राब क्यों आता है. So I'm very bad at that. So I have to look into the audio, but I hope you guys stay till the end because I have a lot of valuable things to share with you. And also we will do this while doing my makeup. I'm going out for getting my nails done after so long. And also first tip is to have a herbal tea by your side every time. This is my second cup. Don't have too much. This is very light. So okay, I just realized I haven't done my skincare. आज पूरा दिन packing में लग गया था. I'm going to Nagaland by the way for like makeup training. That's why I was doing the packing and everything and I forgot to do my skincare. So let's start with Cosrx. This is the Cosrx toner. And this is my new favorite. This is vitamin C green tangerine. This is a really nice toner for like brightening your skin and like lightening your dark spots. So let's come to the first healthy pregnancy routine that I've been doing. I will always put it on my number one list, which is yoga. So I joined a yoga session. वो 1 month के लिए था लेकिन I used to do like योगा एट होम ऑल्सो. तो घर में ही ऐसे योगा कर लेता था. आप जैसे भी यूट्यूब में लगा के कर सकते हो. लाइक 5, 10, 20 minutes is enough. Like the one I joined is nearby my house. Put it on the screen. It was Slimnastic and I'll also put the location on the description below. But really nice yoga session I did there for 1 month. So I just wanted to try it at environment जहाँ में dedicated teacher होगा मुझे सिखाने के लिए. So yeah, this is rice ceramide. I'm using it and I'll also be using the gua sha with this. घर में वैसे टाइम नहीं मिलता है मुझे इतना because of baby. I have a toddler. रूटीन को इतना अच्छे से फॉलो नहीं कर पाता है. So I thought of joining that and that was really nice. योगा के साथ आप मेडिटेशन भी करो because meditation and yoga goes hand in hand. एंड वहाँ पे जहाँ पे मैंने ज्वाइन किया था योगा सेशन वहाँ पे इतना अच्छे से वो कर देता था. मेडिटेशन भी कर देता था लास्ट में. आई एम ओपनिंग अप माई लिम्फ नोड्स. देयर आर सर्टन पॉइंट्स. आई डू अ डेडिकेटेड गुआशा रूटीन फॉर यू गाइज बट राइट नाउ जस्ट गोइंग विद इट. एंड योगा भी ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जो भी योगा कर लो बिकॉज देयर आर सर्टन पोजेस इन योगा दैट यू कांट डू वाइल बीइंग प्रेग्नेंट. सो प्रीनेटल योगा जो होता है आप कर सकते हो प्रीनेटल योगा एंड दे आर रियली गुड and also for your body and also for your baby. Yoga and meditation is must. So the next thing is taking medicines that is recommended by your doctor. And ऐसा बहुत सारा लोग बोलेगा कि मेडिसिन छोड़ देना चाहिए 6-7 months तक प्रेगनेंसी का. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं लेकिन आई प्रेफर listening to doctor because they are doing what they are best at. And last time मेरा भी ऐसा हुआ था कि 8 months में I think I left taking medicines because of getting influenced by some people. But my friend told me कि उसका जो बेटी है उसका low iron deficiency हो गया था because she was not taking like some supplements जिसमें iron भी था. So I got scared kind of. So I started taking the medicines again. Medicines भी वही होता है कि iron, calcium जो होता है आप लोगों को बदन के लिए जो ज़रूरी होता है वही होता है प्रेगनेंसी, हेल्दी प्रेगनेंसी के लिए। आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द मेडिसिन ये बार भी पूरा प्रेगनेंसी में, because that is what recommended by my doctor. Don't get influenced by people. A lot of people will say a lot of things, but I feel like you should leave these kind of things to people who have done their study and have done their research. They know what is best for your body during pregnancy and what is needed. So उसको ही फॉलो करो, डॉक्टर को, अपना डॉक्टर को। एंड अभी सनस्क्रीन भी बचा हुआ है। सनस्क्रीन, दिस इज़ यूवीडॉक्स सनस्क्रीन। दिस इज़ माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट सनस्क्रीन एज आई टॉक्ड अबाउट। क्लाउडी हो या फिर रेनी सीजन हो, सनस्क्रीन इज़ अ मस्ट। I always like to start with my eyebrows, so let's start with the eyebrows. So आप try करो कि आप lots of greens, vegetables, एंड वैसे तो मुझे वेजिटेबल्स पसंद ही है, सो आप ट्राई करो कि आप फ्रूट्स भी रेगुलरली लो, फ्रूट्स एंड नट्स। नट्स का तो इतना मुझे पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन आई लव फ्रूट्स, सो यू कैन टेक फ्रूट्स, नट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स। एंड ऑल्सो लाइक बहुत सारा लोग मिलेगा जो आपको एडवाइस करेगा कि ज़्यादा खाने के लिए, बट फॉर मी आई नो माई बॉडी and I listen to my body, what my body tells me. Like if I don't feel like eating, if I'm not hungry, then I'll not stuff myself up. A lot of people will tell you कि आपको बहुत stuff करते रहना है अपना body में खाना को, but I just listen to my body. when जब मुझे भूख लगता है ना तो मैं खा देती हूँ। एंड ऐसे भी नहीं कि पूरा स्टफ़ करके सांस भी नहीं ले सकने तक। एंड ब्रीदिंग बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है जब आप प्रेग्नेंट होते हो, स्पेशली 7-8 मंथ्स में बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है ब्रीदिंग करने में। सो थोड़ा सा खाना खाने से भी आपको ऐसा लगे कि बहुत फुल है। सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट, लिसन टू योर बॉडी। एंड अगर आपका बॉडी बोल रहा है कि आपको ज़्यादा मतलब और आपका कैपेसिटी है, आपको भूख लग रहा है, तब आप खा सकते हो। लेकिन सबका जो बॉडी होता है वो डिफरेंट होता है। आई फील लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक यू विल नॉट हैव अ हेल्दी बेबी। आई हैव अ हेल्दी बेबी एंड इज़ वेरी एक्टिव, थैंक गॉड। लास्ट टाइम भी मुझे इतना खाने का मन नहीं किया था, बट आई हैड फूड, बट हेल्दी फूड। मुझे बहुत भूख लग रहा था तब समय मैंने खाया था, ऐसा नहीं है कि स्टफ़ करते ही जाओ। सो yeah, that's the thing, guys. Talking and doing the makeup is so difficult. I don't know how people do this. Yes, let's come to the next healthy routine that I followed is staying active. I'm following the list. So staying active and working so that I don't overthink. मुझे पता नहीं दूसरों का कैसा होता है, but for me, like when I'm not active as such, I overthink, and overthink leads to anxiety. Like it's very negative to overthink, especially आप जब negative वाला जो role में चले जाते हो, ये pregnancy में बहुत होता है because of hormones, I feel like. And I think a lot of girls would be able to connect with me. So I think the best way to tackle that is to stay active. And ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको काम ही काम करते जाना है। मेरा लास्ट वाला प्रेगनेंसी जो था, as I talked about it earlier also, कि I quit my job. तो उस समय अपने जॉब को क्विट करके आके घर में ही था, तो ऐसा नहीं था कि घर में ऐसे ही रह गया। I was making YouTube videos, or creating a lot of YouTube videos, and you guys didn't know that I was pregnant. I also joined baking classes, so I wanted to join baking classes for so long when I was working, and because of time crunch I couldn't do that. That kept me busy. And also I read a lot of books, not lot, I am a very slow reader, so सिर्फ 2 books ही पढ़ा था, slow read करके पढ़ा, and I absorbed everything. Like it was Alchemist and the other one was Atomic Habits, I feel like. And just like keeping your mind busy or working on something, your passion, this is the right time, guys. Pregnancy is the right time to follow your passion. If you like painting is very meditative, I feel like. I don't do painting, by the way, so if you like painting, then you can just like paint. And if you like baking, join baking classes, or you can just learn it from YouTube, तो आप वहाँ से learn कर सकते हो. And music बहुत ही अच्छा है. I feel like music will be really good for baby also, but ऐसा वाला नहीं है कि metal music, not like that kind of, like really soothing वाला जो music है, आप ट्राई कर सकते हो इफ़ यू आर इनटू म्यूजिक, डांसिंग, बहुत कुछ है आपका पैशन को फॉलो करने के लिए. सो डोंट बी स्क्रॉलिंग ऑन योर बेड, mindlessly scrolling on your bed. You can get into like very depressive mode. वही सब होता है जो डिप्रेसिव मोड में ले जाता है. लेकिन ऐसा भी नहीं है कि सबका फैमिली कंडीशन सबका सेम रहता है, ऐसा भी बोल के नहीं है. सबके लिए सबका अलग होता है जो एनवायरनमेंट है. सो दैट इज़ द डिफरेंट थिंग. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग इन जनरल कि आप क्या कर सकते हो. और जो मैंने किया जो कि है यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाना, माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट, and connecting with you guys. So I did that. I stayed active. And ये pregnancy में तो पूछो ही मत. I'm going to office, following my passion, which is makeup in the sense I'm doing permanent makeup on my clients. Thanks to YouTube, I'm getting a lot of clients. And yes, now I'm going to learn makeup in Nagaland. So that's a big thing that I'm doing while being pregnant, because obviously I can't go to Thailand or Vietnam, at least right now. So I'm doing that for myself. And also I'm going to take my baby. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं toddler को छोड़ के जाएगा, साथ में ले जाएगा. And yeah, also not to forget, I am continuing the YouTube journey in this pregnancy also. I'm taking brand collabs from like such reputed brands, and I'm so grateful for that. I don't know how they find me sometimes, but I'm so grateful for that. So yes, all I'm saying is try to stay active and not get into this spiral जो overthink करके आप anxiety में, depression में चले जाते हो. Don't like scroll too much on social media, and try to stay active as much as you can. Follow your passion, whatever you want to do. Next makeup product that I'm loving currently is this blush from Too Faced, and this is such a pretty color. This is cool tone pink, and I feel like cool tone pink वाला जो blush है वो बहुत ही suit करता है मेरे को. I used to apply like under the eye, and I will just pull it like this, and जो बच गया उसको पूरा में, so that it does not look unbalanced. Okay, onto the eyes, I'm just gonna apply this dark shade. थोड़ा नीचे में लगा के ऊपर से खींच लेगा. So yes, let's talk about the next routine that I follow, which is monthly checkups. I feel like it's better to be on the safe side. So because my father is a radiologist, I go to him to get my monthly checkups done. And वो नाहरलगुन में रहता है. I mean, Itarnagar and Naharlagun, if you guys live here, you guys know that it's far away. I try to get it done from my father, my papa. अगर वो बहुत टाइम लग जाता है तो I just do it here nearby. But monthly checkups are important. I feel like to be on the safer side. So if you can do that, then that's really good. I was forgetting something on my base makeup, and this is a new contour palette. This is contour bronzer palette that I got from art class. This is also very famous in Korea. पता नहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये थोड़ा light है मेरा skin sheet में. Even though I'm so fair, I feel like this is so light. जो कोरियन मेकअप होता है ना उसमें इतना कंटूर नहीं होता है, so they only focus on shading. So like this part. So I'm taking this shade, and what I like to do is just go this way, and यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा dab कर देते हैं ये जगह में. And now what I'm gonna do is that इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे में खींच देगा ऐसा. Okay, let's see. We have two things left, which is positive mindset and self-care. Guys, I can't stress enough about self-care. Self-care is so important. Self-care is equal to self-love, you can say that. And it is so important for your own well-being and also for the baby that is growing inside of your body. We'll talk about it, but let me focus on this first. This one is so cool. This is from Charmacy. This side is eyebrow pencil, and this side is the eyeliner. But I feel like ये जो last वाला part होता है वो इतना अच्छे से लगता नहीं है यहाँ से. So I'm just gonna use the regular eyeliner जो है. ये खराब हो गया. I have to buy a new one. Look at my eyeliner. It just makes my eyes pop. I love it. If you take care of yourself, then you would be able to take care of others. So fill your cup first then you will be able to fill the cups of other people, for the people who you love. So try to fill your cup first. If you are drained out, if you're not taking care of yourself, if you have nothing to give, then what else you can give to others? What else can you give to your babies or your husband or the people you love, your family? You know, if you're being selfish about your boundaries that you have created and not hurt other people in the process, I think that's equivalent to respecting yourself. If you respect yourself, if you have boundaries, then people will automatically have respect for you because you have such high standards for yourself. Positive mindset is so important. It again comes back to meditation. I feel like because meditation में क्या होता है ना, सिर्फ लोग बोल देते हैं कि meditation करो, लेकिन meditation का real effect आपको पता चलता है कुछ years के बाद. मुझे भी पहले पता नहीं था कि meditation मतलब करते कैसे है first of all. But if you keep doing it, it's basically you're focusing on your breath and you know आपका दिमाग में बहुत ज़्यादा thoughts आने वाला है, but you're bringing it back to your breathing patterns again. ये overthinking में भी ऐसा होता है कि spiral कर जाते हो वो negative thoughts में. So meditation helps to you know snap back to yourself in the present moment. नॉर्मल इंसान को ले लो जो मेडिटेशन नहीं करता है, तो अब वो बेड में बैठा होगा और वो स्क्रॉल करेगा अपने फ़ोन में, तो उसको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि कैसे 1 आवर 2 आवर चला गया. एंड बाय द टाइम ही रियलाइज दैट टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, ओवर हो गया. बट लाइक एज़ कम्पेयर टू अ पर्सन हु मेडिटेट्स, वो भी स्क्रॉल करेगा लेकिन उसको अवेयर होगा कि वो स्क्रॉल कर रहा है, एंड ही कैन स्नैप बैक, ही और शी कैन स्नैप बैक to the present moment. That's how you can stay productive also. It's like really great for snapping back from your negative thoughts. I will not just say कि positive mindset रखो, वो बहुत ही hard हो जाता है. बोलने के लिए तो बहुत आसान है, पर अगर आप ये सब practice करते हो, like for example meditation practice करते हो, आपको negative pattern से निकलने के लिए थोड़ा आसान लगेगा. So yeah, that is why meditation is so important. And the last thing that I'm using is this. This is a sample, guys. This is Fancy Beauty lip tint gloss that I will be launching hopefully soon. वैसे तो बोलते हैं कि लोग ऐसे share नहीं करना है, but I don't care. And this time I improved the quality. इसका smell भी बहुत ही अच्छा है. And the staying power is so good. Even if you forget about reapplying your lip balm or lip gloss, your lips will stay pink like this. This is how the lip gloss looks like. Lip tint gloss looks like. The sun is setting, guys. I have to go. I think it's 3 p.m. right now. So yeah, I hope that you love this kind of chit chat, get ready with me video, and I hope that you found something valuable. So yeah, have a healthy pregnancy, and congratulations if you're pregnant. And yeah, I'll see you next time, probably in Nagaland. Bye.